Hello everyone, this is a video regarding our final year project traffic sign image classification using deep learning. We are pursuing BTech in CSE department of Ramaya University Applied Sciences, Bengaluru, and our project mentor Miss Santosh. We are a group of 3 members, Akshay Pai as our team leader, Anirudh PK as our co-leader, and myself Charan Gowda. This is an outline of our project. Our project title Traffic Sign Image Classification using Deep Learning. Our aim is to design and develop deep learning models for traffic sign image classification. These are our objectives for the project. To conduct literature survey on deep learning techniques used for image classification of traffic signs. To arrive at requirement specification for deep learning model and web application. To design and develop deep learning models to classify traffic sign images, to implement and compare the performance of the deep learning techniques, to test and validate the developed deep learning model using web application, to document the report by unifying all the results and outcomes. Moving on to methods and methodology. We have our first objective to conduct literature survey. Under that, we have deep learning models for traffic sign image classification, and we have different Python libraries for required tasks. To arrive at requirement specification for deep learning model and web application, configuration of Python and Jupyter Notebook on Google Colab, acquiring datasets and specifying pre-processing procedures that need to be done on collected dataset. To design and implement as a third objective, we have suitable pre-processing approaches and storage of data, splitting the dataset into training set, validation set, and test set, building deep learning models and training them using the training dataset, evaluating the accuracies of trained models using test data, and visualization of the results. To implement and compare deep learning technique with existing technique, classification using LeNet and VGGNet models. To test and validate the developed deep learning model, we have testing the developed models using test data, validating them based on various evaluation metrics, comparing performance of the model, web application development and deployment. To document the report by unifying all the results and outcomes, valid formal representation of results and outcomes. This is our workflow diagram for the project or a flowchart, a series of tasks that were carried out for the project. Learn the deep learning approaches, decide programming language and libraries, configure development tool, acquire a dataset, pre-processing images, split dataset into train, validation and test set, building deep learning models, train and evaluate the validation accuracy, compare and visualize results. Implementation of data collection and pre-processing. We have used the German traffic sign recognition benchmark dataset. This dataset contains 50,000 traffic sign images belonging to 43 different classes. This is an histogram which depicts the number of samples belonging to different classes in each dataset. The x-axis gives the class and y-axis number of samples in each dataset respectively. Our first approach, Linnet model. Linnet model has the following layers. Our input image 32 cross 32 pixel with 3 filters for RGB channel, convolution and relu layer followed by pooling layer, convolution and relu layer followed by pooling layer. We flatten and we have fully connected output layer. Similar to the previous model, we have a VGGNet model, convolution with ReLU followed by max pooling layer. Convolution with ReLU followed by max pooling layer, and we have fully connected with output layer. Implementation, training and testing. Number of training examples 31,367. Number of validation examples 7,842, and number of test examples 12,630. Our input data shape 32 by 32 pixel with 3 channels RGB. Number of classes are 43. We have trained both the model VGG and Linnet model for 15 epochs, and we have the following training, validation, test accuracies for both the model. It is noted that training accuracy for Linnet model is 87.33, whereas for VGGNet it is 96.06. Validation accuracy of Linnet model is 95.33, whereas for VGGNet it is 98.51. Test accuracy for Linnet model is 87.94, and for VGGNet it is 95.68. By noticing these numbers of accuracy, we can conclude that VGGNet has performed better than Linnet. Results. We have trained both Linnet and VGG model on the batch size of 64 images. The top graph depicts the accuracy of each model. The left graph depicts the accuracy of Linnet model. The orange curve here signifies the validation accuracy, whereas this blue curve shows the training accuracy. As you can see, the both curves are rising and becoming constant at some point. The bottom graph shows the loss curves, that is training loss and validation loss of each model. The orange curve here signifies the validation loss, and blue curve gives the training loss. It is noted that both the curves are decreasing. By the graphs, we have noted the accuracy of 96.46% for VGGNet model and 92.68 for Linnet model. Results. Traffic sign image classification model is successfully running at Heroku platform. This is a link to our web application. We have used HTML and CSS as a front end and Python framework Flask for backend, and to deploying we have used a Heroku platform, cloud platform. So this is how our web application looks like. It says hello, know your traffic sign. This is a web application of traffic sign classification developed by three of us. It has a choose file button and a submit button. Once we hit a choose file button, user is prompted to upload an image file of traffic sign, and after uploading a traffic sign image file, we hit submit button to review the result. These are some examples of our results. Let us go to the link and check. So this is how our web application looks like. We have a choose file button and a submit button. As soon as we click choose file button, we have to upload an traffic sign image. Say we upload this image, and after uploading an image, we have to click a submit button to review the result. So for this traffic sign image, the predicted result is speed limit 50 km/h. Let's try for some more images. Let's choose other image. Say this image, child cross, submit, and predicted result is child crossing. Expected outcomes. Web application for traffic sign image classification. This is what I just showed you now. And publish a research paper in a scientific journal. Cost estimation of the project. The most of the sources we have used are open sources. Google Colab, open source, which is free. OpenCV, Flask, Heroku, and TensorFlow platforms are also free. The only thing that is costing is hardware, laptop, internet, and printing. We have estimated rupees of 20,000. Man hours, 10 hours per week per person. We have been doing this from past 16 weeks, so it is 160 hours per person. So we are a group of 3 members, so total man hours are 480 hours. So total cost, time cost for this project is 480 hours. This is a Gantt chart depicting the series of tasks, the objectives that were carried out for this project starting from week 1 to week 16. Conclusion. In this project, we present a large-scale experiment based on the German traffic sign recognition benchmark dataset containing traffic sign images. We developed, design, and implement deep learning models to recognize traffic signs, and we compare the prediction performance of the VGGNet and LINET models. Choosing the best out of these two, VGGNet and LINET model, it was deployed along with the web application onto the internet. Being specific, it was deployed on Heroku platform. These are some references that we have referred. Thank you for watching.